Kaolin is mainly used in paper making, ceramics, and refractory materials, followed by coating, rubber filler, enamel glaze, and white cement raw materials. The use is very wide. Kaolin ball press is often used in equipment before pressing materials to do a good job of preparation. Kaolin industry blast furnace production needs concentrate. Kaolin ball press pellet production also needs concentrate. Pellet raw materials should have certain particle size, uniform and good chemical composition, which are important guarantees for the production of kaolin pellet. Company is the first in the domestic development of the corresponding kaolin ball press, put into production, achieved good results. Because the pellet strength and the pressure of the kaolin ball press machine itself is inseparable, the particle size is finer, the shape of the material particle is changed, the surface activity is enhanced, and the pelleting performance is greatly improved.